same concept here.
You know that I'm just dying to like really gun it right there and see if I can make the rear end spin it.
Well, we'll give you that opportunity.
Okay.
Because I have you on ice now.
Okay, good.
So you're driving on a sheet of ice. So if you do have that urge to gun it,
Yeah.
try it.
Okay.
Let it rip.
And try to keep the vehicle on this side of the white line.
Okay.
That way we don't scare the...
We're on ice, guys. Pretty good.
That's a legit save.
Yeah, but we're clear out the course.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's worst in the pasture now. Driving up where I live.
It's all on asphalt as far as I can see. And that's a win.
No aircraft incursions.
Sorry, this is too much fun.
The
I
F-15 pilot's like jealous of you right now.
I know.
It's like, man, what are they doing over there?
I spent a lot of time driving up and down Larch Mountain Road in the ice and the snow doing this. You're like, oh, I know what she's gonna do.
That's fine.
My goal was to see how close I could get it without it.
Well, so far you've done really good getting close to them.
Okay. I did knock the one over though on that.
Well, yeah, you murdered them.
Yeah. Now I'm just gonna work on swinging it and bringing it straight again. Okay. Yeah, this is nice to be able to actually practice this without.
So when you feel the back end start to skid,
Yeah.
instead of counter steering, what we're having you do is actually bring the wheel back to what you
Just
think
to
is
straight.
straight.
Okay, got it.
Because what that'll do is it'll actually
quarter.
straighten itself out.
Okay. I was trying to make it between those cones too. See if I could do it.
Between you and over the top, you were right there.
So I'm going to give you grip to the front.
Oh.
You hear the air brakes on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Every time the tire spins, it's trying to correct it.
That's awesome. That's nice because I can feel it. You just let it come back around and you get that traction again as soon as it's four
Yep.
wheels straight.
So this time, what I'm going to have you do
Yeah.
is try to stay on the course.
Okay.
When we get to that end, I'm going to have you brake hard as we go into the turn.
Oh, dang, I was trying to get it to slide out.
But see how hard it is for you to actually try to get the rear wheels to spin?
Yeah, you can't. Yeah.
Because it's actually taking throttle away from you also.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay, and that's the traction control.
That's part of it.
Okay.
But it's also engaging the brakes when it feels that it's...
Okay, so
So turn left and brake hard.
that's awesome.
So that's like driving on black ice. You have a panic stop as you're making the turn because you feel it starting.
Exactly. Yeah.
And around it goes. And with the large vehicles, because of all the weight and stuff on the back,
Yeah. You're gonna flip over.
you're going to actually spin it, or you could actually turn over.
Did you see that there was just another water tender rollover in California?
Yep. I'd like to read that report. 'Cause I have a feeling that speed
Oh yeah.
was part of it.
And overconfidence.
Yep. So I'm taking grip away from the rear tires again.
Okay.
So the other thing we talked about is when you accelerate, we want you to accelerate in a straight line.
Got it.
So when you go around that apex cone,
Yeah.
I want you to start accelerating.
Oh, okay. As I'm turning back toward the.
Yep.
This is what I was trying to do, is get that to slide out.
There we go.
But you feel how
Oh,
the
yeah.
torque actually took over on you.
Oh, yeah.
That's why we want you to always accelerate in a straight line.
Got it.
And if you watch where cars get in accidents, where do you see them? Where do they get in the accidents? Just past the apex
oh, yeah.
of the corner, right?
Exactly. Yeah, it's always
Because-
right after the corner. Yeah.
Because what they're doing is they're accelerating. You're in a corner, it's wet out. It takes that, transfers the weight to the rear axle, so it lightens the front end up. And now they're going to go straight because it's pushing them off the roadway.
So years ago when we did this, you also talked about if you're hydroplaning. Are you going to go over that with us a little bit?
Actually, you're already correcting it.
Okay.
Because the easiest thing with hydroplaning is actually just to slow down. Take your foot off the throttle
Yeah. Okay.
and allow the vehicle to correct itself. Because too many people, they feel at hydroplaning, now they're going to try to speed up or brake hard. And either one of them is a bad thing.
Okay.
So we just want you to straighten the wheel and just decelerate.
Okay. Got it. This is nice because you're getting that muscle memory instead of just the theory.
Yep. So most of this is just, we're trying to break the old habits that you guys have accumulated over the years, you know, like counter steering
Yeah.
and things like that. One of the things though that we are striving for you guys to do is not to let go of the steering wheel, but to slightly straighten the wheel up.
Okay.
So yeah, like that.
Boy, you could tell the grip. I mean, as soon as I got it straight again, it was really.
Because what happens is you remember that your contact patch is as big as your palm of your hand. When you start turning, that gets smaller.
Yeah.
So you're actually driving on a contact patch about that size right now. So when you straighten the wheel, what you're doing is you're actually increasing that size.
I'm not having any fun at all, you guys.
That's good.
Yeah.
But you can feel just by straightening the wheel
You can.
what it does, and if you keep counter steering, what it does.
There we go.
My son's gonna do this. Pretty awesome. He's 11.
Well, we actually had, when I was in Columbia County doing this, we actually had a couple of the guys, actually their daughters were just starting to drive.
Oh, good.
And they said, well, can we bring them out? And I said, yeah, we had some time slots.
Yeah.
So we actually put them in the vehicle and said, you have full grip right now. So you can feel the difference.
Yeah, I can feel the difference. Totally. Yeah.
So we put them in the other truck and let them drive. And they actually learned a lot, especially the ones from Arizona.
Yeah.
Because she was scared to death of driving the ice.
Oh, really?
Because she'd never driven in the ice. So, but does all the stuff that we talked about make sense?
Yeah. it
Even
really
with the
does.
traction control and how
Yeah.
the traction control is actually going to do a lot of the work for you just by you taking your foot off the throttle and straightening the wheel. It's going to correct everything for you.
What is he gonna do next?
Yeah.
Yes.
All I can say is I got nothing.
So we'll pull up here where the cones are knocked over and we'll swap drivers.
Sweet. I'll get the cones. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.